Samsung has officially unveiled its new 32-inch M8 4K smart monitor featuring 4K resolution. It starts at $799 and includes online streaming services, a slim fit camera, and other features. According to reports, Samsung has officially introduced its new 32-inch M8 Super HD 4K smart monitor in the United States. Additionally, it has online streaming services and a slim fit camera mounted on the top of the display. What appears to be an Apple Studio display is shown here. Let's talk more about the Samsung M8 monitor. So without any delay, let's get started. Samsung M8 monitor can be used as Samsung Smart Hub, and it has Alexa and Google Assistant built in. Furthermore, the M8 includes a SmartThings hub that allows you to control compatible smart home devices. You can connect wirelessly to a Windows PC or Mac and mirror your smartphone screen on display. The monitor, for example, supports HDR10+, has a magnetic webcam, and works with both Alexa and Google Assistant along with Bixby. The M8 can be used as a TV with the remote control that comes with it, and the built-in Tizen OS should be familiar to people who own Samsung TVs. The monitor's built-in microphone activates the far-field voice feature, which recognizes voices even from a distance and allows you to control them. To save money, Samsung has decided to hold off on the price cut for the rest of the year. The phone has more advanced features like a small webcam and a sleek, modern design. Samsung's new intelligent M8 Samsung monitor, which has a 32-inch screen, will cost you approximately $799. This time around, there aren't any larger sizes available to purchase. In addition, if you purchase this intelligent monitor before April 17, Samsung will surprise you with a $100 credit gift card that you may put towards your next purchase. The M8 smart monitor will set you back $699, representing a $100 discount over the previous generation. When it comes to future purchases from Samsung, this generous credit card gift will be put to good use. As an alternative, you can make 4 monthly payments of $175 bi-weekly and $29.17, equal to $49.17, or 2 monthly payments of $175 bi-monthly and $29.17, similar to $49.17. An intelligent monitor with identical specs can be found in other Samsung models. For example, last year's Samsung M7 Smart Monitor has a 43-inch display and costs $449. It does not include the undefined pixels from the little webcam. In addition, it has a 32-inch screen, both of which are discounted by $50 off the list price. According to Samsung, the M8 Smart Monitor was officially launched on February 28 at the company's headquarters in Seoul. Pre-orders for the smartphone are being accepted on the Samsung US website as of this writing. Purchases will be available through your local retailer store starting May 6. In exchange for participation in the pre-order process, you will receive a $100 Samsung credit gift card, which will be given to you on May 6, 2022 via the company's official website. Several versions were developed by Samsung when the business was initially announced and began working with smart monitors in 2020. These models include the Samsung M5, the Samsung M7, and the Samsung M8, introduced most recently as part of the Samsung M8 series. In fact, these smart displays are the world's first all-in-one screens capable of carrying out a wide range of duties such as providing entertainment and doing work, gaming, and other activities at the same time. It is no longer necessary to purchase an additional television if you have an intelligent monitor installed in your home. It's a smart TV with all of your current features that have been made better, like a faster refresh rate, a better response time, and a camera. Every aspect of the intelligent M8 Samsung monitor, including its HDR10+ 4K display, USB Type-C charging capability, and the return of Samsung's Bixby Aid and Google Assistant and Alexa, has been kept up to date with the most recent technology. More information will be provided in the following part, divided in 2 sections. In terms of display, the intelligent M8 Samsung monitor has a 32-inch flat curved 4K display with a 16:9 aspect ratio and a 3840 by 2160 resolution. Assuming an average brightness compression of 400, this display can produce 1 billion colors. It doesn't have a faster refresh rate than other monitors, but it does have a standard 60 Hz refresh rate. On the other hand, it has an excellent dynamic range because it has HDR10+ high dynamic range. It also supports all of the standard features such as Windows 10 Plus certification, gaming mode, and iSaver, among other things. So far, the Intelligent M8 Samsung monitor is compatible with a USB Type-C connector, which allows it to be charged and used as a laptop computer at the same time. It also includes 2 HDMI connectors, 1 tiny HDMI port, and the ability to be controlled by a remote. It also has Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2 connections in a few different settings. The Intelligent M8 Samsung monitor's design distinguishes it from other similar products. Samsung states that it has modern design that is thin, elegant, and gorgeous, and that it can be used for a wide range of tasks and functions. In addition to the smart monitor, a small web camera and mounting hardware are included in the smart monitor. To accommodate your personal tastes, the Intelligent M8 Samsung monitor is available in 4 different colors: pink, white, blue, and green. As shown by the Apple Studio, which has an ultra-thin border, a great camera design, and a wide range of beautiful colors, Samsung goes to great lengths to make cutting-edge designs. The 32-inch 4K M8, Samsung's latest smart monitor, is now available to reserve in 4 colors: white, blue, green, and pink. The white option will set you back $699.99, while the other hues will set you back $30 extra. Samsung revealed the M8 at CES 2022, but it didn't say how much it would cost or whether it would come in various colors. The company has yet to announce a release date. You can only reserve an M8 monitor for the time being rather than buy one altogether. You'll be able to pre-order one after booking one with your email address, and Samsung says your purchase will come with a $100 Samsung credit to use in the future. The M8's bright colors and slim form might help it blend with a group of M1 iMacs. The M8 has many more features than a more critical Apple product, the $1,600 Studio Display. The display includes built-in speakers with HDR10 Plus compatibility. It can run video streaming apps like Apple TV+, Netflix, and Disney+. Its stick-on webcam can make video calls using Google Duo, which Samsung says it has face tracking and auto zoom functions. When you attach a keyboard and a mouse to the M8, you can even run Microsoft 365 web apps. Bixby, Alexa, and Google Assistant can also control it. It even has AirPlay 2 support. For a fraction of the price, it's more of a computer meets TV experience than the Studio Display. The accompanying stand is height adjustable and tiltable, albeit it isn't VESA compatible, which we prefer. Like Samsung's innovative Space Monitor, the display may be adjusted up or down to meet the surface of your desk. Even with all of those advantages, it may not be what some Mac users want. Compared to the Studio Display's 5K display, the M8 supports 4K resolution. The M8's connectivity, like that of the Space Monitor, is lacking. Only 1 micro HDMI connector and 2 USB-C connections, one supports 65-watt pass-through charging, can handle video or data transfer. We don't know how the M8's build and picture quality compare because we haven't seen it in person or tried out its webcam. However, for many Macs or Windows customers who raised an eyebrow at the Studio Display's questionable value proposition, this could be a fantastic option if you're seeking a sleek, feature-packed display that brazenly cribbs Apple's aesthetic. Samsung sells a range of intelligent monitor alternatives, all available for purchase. The recently unveiled Intelligent M8 Samsung monitor will be slightly more expensive than the M7 smart monitor released earlier this year. However, it has been enhanced with several new features such as a more contemporary design and camera support. When starting out, the Samsung M7 Smart Monitor is an excellent place to start because it allows you to experience the new modern all-in-one monitor and integrated television. The Samsung M7 Smart Monitor, a 31-inch panel, is now available for $369. Also available for $449 is a massive 42-inch screen, which has resulted in an immediate $50 discount for the time being. That's it for today. Leave a comment with your favorite part of the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and leave a comment saying I subscribed and I'll personally reply to your comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.